Managing your audio network can be time-consuming and expensive, right? But it doesn't have to be with Axis Audio Manager Pro. With a single user interface and unlimited licenses, it won't matter how big or complex your system gets, your content will always get to the right place at the right time, at the touch of a button. Whether you need to talk to one device or thousands, you'll have the freedom to tailor multiple zones thanks to unrestricted zone management. There's no limit to how creative you can be as you mix and match live and pre-recorded content. And when the message is urgent, Axis Audio Manager Pro lets you prioritize it, maximizing safety and security. Once your system's up and running, you can keep an eye on it remotely without leaving your seat. From last-minute changes to regular health checks, or even reconfigurations when it's time to expand. Axis Audio Manager Pro. Flexible software that adapts to your needs.